how to use 2m2tank key cutting machine to cut a key by Oculus. You have to get the key label at first. You can find the biddings from this label. Click the menu Oculus. Input Honda from the searching bar. Input V904 to look for the biddings. Key biddings is found. Enter key bidding and then install the key according to the picture. If installation is okay, please click Cut to cut a key. One side is finished, and then cut the other side. Click the other side. It says install the key according to the guiding picture. Install the other side on the clamp, and then pay more attention. If installation is okay, please click Continue and cut this key. All is finished. Clean the platform and get the key from the clamp. Check the details of the key and then have a try to turn on and off lock.